So, good day everyone. My name is Mark Angelo Llamas from BS Screen 3E. So, i-discuss ko sa inyo ngayon is similarities and differences of RA 9344 and Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from United States of America. So first, ano nga ba yung RA 9344? RA 9344, or also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, is a Philippine law that addresses juvenile delinquency and establishes a framework for care, protection, and rehabilitation of children in conflict with the law. In contrast, juvenile justice laws in the USA can vary significantly from state to state, but there are some general themes and principles that can be compared. So first is, ano nga ba yung similarities nila? So first is focus on rehabilitation. Both RA 9344 and many juvenile justice system in the USA emphasize rehabilitation over punishment for juvenile offenders. They recognize that young people have the potential for change and that intervention should prioritize reintegration into society. Second is minor age considerations. Both laws typically recognize that individuals below a certain age or 18 should be treated differently from adults in the justice system. They establish age thresholds to determine juvenile status. So third is restorative justice. Both systems often incorporate restorative justice principles. They focus on repairing harm caused by the offense and involving victims and the community in the resolution process. So fourth is diversion program. Both RA 9344 and various state laws in the USA promote diversion program that aim to redirect young offenders away from formal judicial proceedings, recognizing that many juvenile offenses are minor and can be addressed through community-based solutions. So, next is yung differences naman nila. First differences is age of criminal responsibility. Under RA 9344, the age of criminal responsibility is set at 15 years old, meaning that children below this age cannot be charged with the crime. In the USA, the age of criminal responsibility varies by state, with some states setting it as low as 6 or 7 years old. Second is procedural differences. The procedures of dealing with juveniles in the conflict with the law can differ widely. The USA has a more decentralized approach, with each state having its own juvenile justice system. RA 9344 provides a unified national framework in the Philippines. Third is emphasis on family support. RA 9344 places a strong emphasis on the role of the family and community in rehabilitation of juvenile delinquents, while the USA also recognizes familial involvement. The extent and formality of such support can vary by state. Fourth is implementation challenges. The Philippines faces specific challenges in implementing RA 9344, including limited resources and infrastructure in the USA. While also facing challenges, the resources and Institutional framework may differ significantly due to varying levels of state funding and policy commitment. Fifth is cultural and societal differences. The background and societal context play a role in the implementation and effectiveness of juvenile justice laws. Cultural views on youth crime and punishment can change how laws like RA 9344 and various state laws in the USA are perceived and applied. So in summary, there are common goals in the addressing juvenile delinquency in both Philippines and USA. Difference in legal framework, age of responsibility, procedural approaches, and cultural context highlight the complexity of juvenile justice system.